Hello out there, Madison, Wisconsin. This is Bold Patents. I'm JD Houvener, owner founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. We're here to help entrepreneurs and vendors right here in Madison, Wisconsin. Of course, it's well known for the University of Wisconsin being a university town, but you may not have known how many vital resources there are for startups, inventors, and entrepreneurs just like you. So I'm going to go through our top 5 list right here in Madison, Wisconsin. These companies, these institutions will help you on your entrepreneurial journey. And just like Bold Patents, other law firms, other professionals in the area, these types of groups are what can help you get you through the barrier of being sort of stuck and feeling like you're all alone, because you certainly are not. The first one, for high growth companies, Generator with the 8 in the middle. This company is an incubator. So what they'll do is they'll give money, inject capital. And they're well known for the $100,000 of capital for 12 weeks for their accelerator program. That if you get the application submitted and are accepted, this is a wonderful place for you to go, get that initial capital surge and the impact you might need to get beyond the city to other states and be international. The second one is the Starting Block Madison. Now this one is more like a co-working space. It's also called an incubator, but it's mostly for startups that want to get started together, right? They're working together. They only accept a certain amount of companies, startups in this area. And what's great is that they're all sort of at different levels and they can help each other. So this is a great opportunity for those that need additional help, might need to hire employees, staff, discuss where they're at with investors, attorneys, protect their intellectual property. Of course, here with Bold, we're here to help you here and take care of that as well. So Starting Block Madison is an awesome opportunity. Number 3 is MadWorks Accelerator. So like the first couple, MadWorks provide grants, mentors, lean startup methodology, and access to next round financing for selected early stage companies. Really famous company just came out of here called Enso Data. It's a health tech company leveraging AI to analyze sleep and health data for medical diagnoses. Number 4 is G-Beta Madison. It's a free 7-week accelerator program offering individuals guidance and connections for early stage startups. Free is a heck of a price tag. It's a wonderful opportunity for you, the inventor, the technical founder, to go learn what it takes to actually start a company. There's a whole lot more involved, as I've talked about in other videos. Even if you got the invention filed or the patent granted, that's just one perhaps small piece in the big puzzle of how you're going to actually impact your customers in the marketplace. So a place like G-Beta Madison is a wonderful place to go. Learn, educate yourself about what it takes to take your product from idea to market. The last one, of course, is at the University of Wisconsin, University Research Park. This is a technology park fostering early stage and growth-oriented businesses in biotech, engineering, and software development. A very cool company launched just called FluGen, which is the biotech company, just launched out of University Research Park. They're developing next-gen influenza vaccines. With all this stuff happening with the flu, certainly with COVID a few years ago, and now with the measles, companies like these in the biotech area in the University of Wisconsin are vital. So if you have any questions on intellectual property, you want to look for a trusted partner in patents and trademarks. Bold Patents stands ready here in Madison to help you move forward. Take care, everybody. Have a good rest of your day. Go big, go bold.